Hello everyone. Thank you so much for showing your love and support to my previous content. I hope that you all are doing well. Being a clinical dietitian, I always feel esteemed privileged by sharing some knowledge with you all. Now moving toward our today's topic, that is picky or fussy eater. Some parents face a real big challenge while feeding a child, isn't it or not? But it is very important to understand that usually children will eat the amount of food their body needs. If your child has a small appetite, then they may just be efficient in the way their body uses calories. As you know, meal time are different for every family. Your child eating habit are only a problem if it is causing you or your child upset or worry. They are not eating enough for the right food. Now what if they don't eat? If your child refuses a meal and stop and think about why this may be the case. Did they have recent snack or a drink? Are they ill or tired? Is there too much food on their plates? Do you have a meal time routine or not? जैसे कि सब मील के साथ बैठकर टाइमली खाना खाते हो कि नहीं? Is there any physical difficulties? Some reasons why children might refuse to eat is the selective eaters, means picky or the fussy eater. Secondly, food phobias. Phobias means involving food are common, especially in school age children. There are different sorts of food phobias. Some children have a fear of being sick when they eat. Some children worry that food is bad or harmful in some way, or some children may suffer from physical problem also. And lastly, parents expectation, that is the most dangerous one. There can be a mismatch between what you would like your child to eat and what your child actually needs to eat. Besides this region, today we will know about the selective eaters, that is picky or fussy eater. There are two distinct type of picky eaters. Number one is refusal to eat certain types of familiar food, often due to flavors or texture. जैसे कि आप अगर फ्रूट कस्टर्ड देते हो तो वो इसलिए नहीं खाते क्योंकि उसमें उनका पसंदीदा फ्रूट नहीं होता. Number two is an unwillingness to try new food, called neophobia, means fear of anything new. Some children will be picky eater only for a brief period of time, while others will persist as picky eater or become picky later on in life. Means some adults also continue for the picky eaters. Now you will think that what is the solution? Then try not to put too much on your child's plate. Offer nutritious food regularly 5 to 6 times a day. Offer your child the same food the rest of the family is eating. Avoid preparing separate meals. Avoid giving drinks or snack 1 hour before meals. This will help ensure your child has a good appetite for their meals. Ensure food is the appropriate texture for your child. If a child is struggling with a particular texture, try other foods with similar nutrient. जैसे कि चीवी मीट की जगह मीन्स दे सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप कुक्ड वेजिटेबल के जगह ग्रेडेड वेजिटेबल भी दे सकते हैं. प्रोवाइड योर चाइल्ड विद ऑप्शंस एट मील टाइम टू एनकरेज देयर इंडिपेंडेंस, बट लिमिट टू 2 ऑप्शंस. जैसे कि 2 प्रकार के फ्रूट या फिर 2 अलग अलग सैंडविच फिलिंग भी ऑप्शन में रख सकते हैं. Set time frames, most important. Children need meal time routine. They feel more secure when they know what to expect. Keep meal time regular and consistent. Set aside 20 to 30 minutes for meal time, 10 to 20 minutes for snack. If the food is not eaten within this time period, allow your child to leave the table and quietly remove their plate. Try different food often. Children may need to be offered food more than 10 times before accepting it. Impacts of picky eater. Important one. It is a special concern when children consume lower levels of fruits, vegetables, whole grains and protein. And due to deficiencies in minerals and vitamin 2, constipation may also occur. Presently, it is one of the common childhood challenges that prevent good nutrition, so it is important to take care of. Even if much trial children not consuming its food, then consult the nearest clinical dietitian or the pediatrics for the proper counseling and guidance. Thank you.